In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your live from specific people on Instagram. So basically there are a few ways to do it. First, open up Instagram, go to your profile, hamburger menu on the top right, settings and privacy. So the first way is to add close friends. So everybody you follow, and you will have some suggestions here, they can be added as close friends and only they will be able to see your lives. Now the next step is to block somebody you don't want them to see your live. So you just go to the blocked, click on the plus icon and you block whomever you think or you want, and that's basically it. But in my opinion, the best case scenario, if you only want to exclude few specific people without having to choose close friends and 90% of your list, or you don't necessarily want to block somebody, you just want them to not be able to see your live, click on hide story and live, click on this option again and add people and click done. So basically those are 3 ways to do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, subscribe, leave a like and a comment saying this video helped me out. If you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll help you out. Thank you for watching this video.